Hey guys, Jansen Fancher here with MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Come aboard this beautiful 2011 315 Crownline. At the stern of the boat here we have a remote. For those days you guys are coving out, don't have to get back into the boat to change the radio station or song, volume up or down. Those days you want to relax and lounge out, this is the perfect option. As we move forward into the boat, you come on. Got your battery switches easy on your way in. As we move forward, trash can access, refrigerator to keep those beverages cold all day. Got the sink to wash up, rinse off, whatever you got to do. As we move forward, we've got the dual captain's chairs, both bolsters. And then right below, your ski and tow storage. We got full-size noodles in there, ladies and gentlemen. Lots of storage. So we approach the helm. It's powered by a single 8.2 liter Mercruiser. Got your tabs, all your switches, really easy to use. Your depth. Here's your radio. And then over port side, we have our day head. Lots of space in there. As we move forward, lots and lots of space. Look at all this. You have the dual loungers here. You have easy access to your storage compartment right here. And as well as a windlass anchor system. Look at this space. I'm 6'1". Lots. Table here or in the rear. And for any other questions you have, give me a call, 573-606-3029. This baby has 285 hours. And below, make sure to like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.